Hello children, today we are going to see question answers of the lesson Daydream, lesson number 2 of Standard 4th English Bal Bharti. So let's start with give meanings. Idle means useless, purposeless. Earthen means made of baked clay or mud. Commotion means a lot of noise, confusion and excitement. Stout means thick. Swish means move quickly through the air, making a soft sound. Pound, hit with great force. Astounded, very surprised. Antics, silly or foolish. Ruined, damaged. Welding, holding something and using it. So these are the meanings which have come in the lesson. Now we are going to talk about the questions and answers. So we will see first textbook page number 1 question answers. Now let's start. What did husband want to buy? The husband wanted to buy a few cows. What plans did the wife make? The wife made plans to prepare plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. That would use one earthen pot for milk, one for dahi, one for butter. She would put the ghee in jar. She would use the remaining pot to send milk to her sister. This was the plan of the wife. What did the husband want to do with extra milk? The husband wanted to sell the extra milk in the market. Now find three phrases, each that begin with a, an or the. So with a, it is a lot of time, a lot of work, a drop of it. And no phrases having an has come. The feed of the to feed the cows, all the milk in the market. Choose a or an correctly and fill in the blanks. So answers are given below: an earthen pot, a cow, a jar, a sister. Write the plural forms of the following nouns: cow, cows, pot, pots, jar, jars, sister, sisters, markets, drop, drops. So these are the some grammatical part which can come in the lesson. Now the second part is question answers from the page number 2, and the passage is also given. Page number 2 and 3 both are included, and the question answers are from till how I will see how you can. So what is the first question here? It is also there in the textbook because it is star marked. What did Gopal Bhan say he was doing? Gopal Bhan said that he was driving away the couple's greedy cow his field. Did Gopal Bhan have a field? No, Gopal Bhan did not have a field. What did Gopal Bhan want to tell husband and wife? Gopal Bhan wanted to tell husband and wife that they should not be greedy over the daydreams. They should not fight over something that they do not have. They should live in present. What is the difference between a dream and a daydream? Dream is something that one has at night. When one is asleep, a daydream comes to mind when during the day when one is wide awake. From the passage find least three phrases which begins with a, an or the. So now here a pot of milk, stout, thick in a corner. There is no phrases with an, and we have with the all the work, the then pot, the commotion. Now again articles have come. Choose a or an correctly and fill. A stout, thick, a lovely field, an eyebrow. Plural forms of the words: stick, sticks, corner, corners, cucumber, cucumbers, fields, fields. So these are the question answers which is there given in the digest of standard 4th. If you have liked the video, please comment and please subscribe. If you want me to make more videos of standard 5th, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.